If you fix this one thing, your t-shirt business will change. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirts, Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home. Where you at? And in this video, we're gonna talk about the one thing you need to change when it comes to your t-shirt business, and it'll make everything a lot easier. You'll make a lot more money. All right, so I've been doing onboarding calls for the Six-Figure Blueprint, right? This is the new coaching program that we're opening up to a few people to help them spend this year growing their t-shirt business. And I've been doing some of the onboarding calls with some of you guys who signed up already. And I want to take these things. We're going to get deep into the weeds inside the program and do some elevation of the business. But I want to make sure that I'm still serving the rest of you guys with things that can help, right? The motivation and the understanding of what it is that you need to work on. And we're just going to have some of these story times or whatever the case is. So doing an onboarding call, and the number one thing that I got from this person to come back and tell you guys is you already have the right equipment. In some cases, some of you guys all have everything that you may need to get going. But no matter what you do or don't have, how do I say this? You're still spending your time on the wrong thing. Some of you guys think you need more equipment, right? So you waiting to really jump into your business until you get the dual embroidery heads, right? You got a small left chest killer, like I call mine, that doesn't do you got something small, but you think you need something else because you can be faster, you can be better, but you're spending your time focused on the wrong thing. And it comes back to the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule says 20% of the time that you're spending is bringing you 80% of the revenue, which means the things that you're spending 80% of your time on, not that they don't matter, but they don't matter. Right? And to give you guys an example, you guys may have other side hustles that you're doing that you're too afraid to take the leap into your t-shirt business and be full-time and go at it 100%. I'm a person who had multiple hustles coming up, and literally I say I got the t-shirts because one thing led to another. And I could start further back, but I'm just going to start at, I did computer repair. Then I went into web design. Then I knew I needed to build better websites, but I couldn't get great pictures for my clients. So I became a photographer. And all while trying to promote my photography business, I ended up making t-shirts. Now, there was a stint with like website and stuff like that where I was doing my Photoshop and I was learning how to do graphics and all that stuff. I took the longest route to get here where we are today. And I will tell you, out of all of the hustles that I've done, this is by far the easiest one to make money. And I ain't even go back to the old list, right? This is the easiest one to make money. But if you guys don't take a second and understand that you gotta put your time in the right places. It's not about what you can make on all of this different equipment, what items you can put together. That lack of focus is costing you the success of your business. I took last year, it was the first year for a brand new business. I didn't go into it. It has nothing to do with my YouTube following. It has everything to do with rebuilding the name in the local market. I launched a brand new business. I went away 2 months out of the year, later on in the year, and did not make a single dollar inside the t-shirt business for 2 months. And was on track having 5-figure month after 5-figure month after 5-figure month once we got the momentum going. And I still was able to hit 90K. And if you focus on the right things, pure focus, you got to get your business in order behind the scenes. And that's the stuff that we do in the blueprint. We got to get our business in order. We got to find focus in what we're good at inside our business. in order to take it to the level that it needs to go. We need to get real specific, and we need to then spend our time working on the right things, okay? And newsflash, if you ain't got it already and you ain't got it up to this point, the right things is not what you can make, not what I can screen print, not this, not that. I need to be spending my time out in the field finding jobs more than I am right here. And I hope you guys can see how important this is. I mean, I spent last year telling you guys it's all about clarity, right? Well, step 2 to clarity is starting to spend your time on the right things. You take that clarity, you take that vision, you take that goal that you have for yourself, and you understand that the tool that you had to reach the goal for your personal life is your business. And then you do everything inside that business to help you achieve your business goals and your personal life goals. Your business is a tool. All of these things are a tool. If you don't have anything that you're trying to construct with these tools, you just running in circles. You spending your time doing the wrong things. And I get the hustle culture, and it's all about hustle. T-shirt, side hustle. But now we got to work smarter, not harder. That's what my dad would tell me. So if you guys want to check out the blueprint, if you want to be a part of the first cohort of print shop owners on their way to 6 figures, my goal is to build 1,000 6-figure print shops. 1,000. So if you want to be a part of that 1,000, you want to kick this thing off with the first cohort, you want to get in while getting is good, go down in the description, click the link, book a call with the team. They'll get you all situated, see if you're going to be a right fit. Everybody's not going to be a right fit, and that's okay. If you may not be, make sure you're on the email list. I'm still going to be giving you guys the newsletter of stories and motivation and things that you need to be doing in your business in order to grow it. Hook or crook, we're going to get you there. Hook or crook, we're going to get you there. If you focus, you put the effort, you put the time in, you will get to the point you're trying to get to if you just change these little minute details about how you're looking at your business. And that was one of the biggest takeaways was exactly that. And we've already been working, and he's like, man, I didn't even think about it like this. All right, so do all of that stuff. Everything's down in the description below. I appreciate you guys. Also down in the description below, probably at this point, you'll see the blueprint or come back. Whenever you're watching this, there may be actually a roadmap to 6 figures, the 6-figure printer roadmap. It really is a 7-figure roadmap, but it's really a 6-figure roadmap because it's, you get what I'm going, right? But all of that be down in the description below. I appreciate you guys for taking the time to check out this video. If you made it this far, you are one of the ones that's going to get there. Let me know that you're one of the ones down in the comments below. I appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.